Do you want a cheap and easy way to keep what you do on the internet anonymous and secure? Try ProXPN. For $6.25 a month, you can safely surf the web anywhere in the world. Do you travel a lot? With ProXPN, you can even get on websites such as YouTube and Netflix that are blocked in some countries. Devices currently supported with premium membership are Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. ProXPN, keeping you anonymous since 2009. Try today. Link in the description below.
Hey, I'm Ash. Today I'll be doing a review over the Fire 7 with Alexa from Amazon. So, got it today. Gonna unbox it for you guys, let you see it. Whoop, things are falling. Okay. Well, looks like this. So, looks pretty decent. It's packaged well, so I know there won't be any damages to it. Now let me find a power button because you know me. Okay. So it seems to be looking good, clear, working fine. Now we just let it load up and I will see how it is. I'll let you guys know. Gonna read the box. So this has 8 gigabytes. Can watch movies, pictures, Skype, Facebook, you name it, it's got it. Beautiful home screen. Okay. Just do a little English, yes. Yeah, it looks and seems to be loading fast. Okay, I really like the smoothness of it. Like when you type, it doesn't like glitch like some tablets do. Okay, let's read some things from the box. So you can obviously store a lot of stuff on here. Movies, games. It's quick. That's what it says on the box. Quick access, and it does hold true to that statement. Now along with that, I got this SD card, 32 gigabyte. Now I've had one before, perfect, great, love it. Okay, so if you're looking for something affordable, decent size, I mean, it's perfect. Who wants a big computer or a big laptop that takes up a lot of space? This is just perfect for you. Clean, clear, loads like that. Nice packaging, no scratches. Like 2 chargers, everything looks perfect. Highly recommended if you want something cheap, small, and something that's gonna last. I mean, this has it all. So, yeah, make sure you buy one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.